Today's mission, the L-245. We're going in a TV commercial. I got a phone call last night. We're loading it up right now. We're going to be on the road, so stay tuned. We're going to be filming this the entire way. But to get you started, this was a 8-stage rental. Started out as looking for a combine, and we ended up on one of my personal favorites, the L-245. I'll have Michelle add in the photos here, or add some photos into the video of what this looked like when it came to our collection, but I pulled this out of a scrapyard, completely wrecked, pulled out with the crane from a truck, unloaded on the ground, completely trashed. Like, had a running engine. That was it. Transmission, axles, everything was there, really messed up. All the sheet metal, gone. But me being me, I have like 8 parts tractors. So I figured, well, I got a running motor, let's build a good one. And I'll use it to go get my mail, because I'm a weirdo. Well, we've got it. You see a few more there in the background. Yeah, I have a problem with Kubotas. This is what I grew up on, so they're kind of special to me, near and dear, but with a face only a mother could love. All right, stay tuned, folks. We're gonna be loading up here and on our way. All right, the battle wagon's loaded. We're about to get on the road. Little baby 245. Look at this little guy. She's cute as a button. I actually grew up on one just like this, L-175. My dad actually still has it. It's all restored. I went through it about 5-6 years ago. Every nut and bolt. But little trade secret, I actually used to work for Kubota corporate, so and the dealership. So I've got a little bit of a soft spot for these things. And it's also why I'm a little bit of, a little bit neurotic about my favorite brand of tractor, aside from Caterpillar, the mother cat. But here she is. 4 points contact, because we are going past scales. So, all right, let's get on the road. We're about 15 minutes out from the film location. Now, I won't be able to film while I'm there, but I'll try to sneak a couple of pictures of the tractor as I'm unloading. But yeah, we're approaching on set about 3.5 hours later, and don't drink and drive. Anyway, here we go. All right, here we drive off into the sunset onto film site number 2. All right, that was a good long day. It is currently almost 7 p.m. Started this mission at about 6 a.m. this morning, and I've got a few more hours. And then I got to turn around and come back up here to get the machine after tomorrow's filming. So, yeah, we got some work to do. But I won't have to come back tomorrow at least. I'll wait a day or two until they're done. It's all static shots from here on out. But I'll just give you guys an update. This is what the day in the life of the glamorous tractor rentals for movies looks like. This is what I do. This is how I support the collection. By doing other collection things, which is pretty rad. As soon as this commercial comes out, I'll hopefully post a link to it and we'll do another video. But this is a little bit of the behind the scenes of just one little piece of the puzzle, and I'm probably the smallest piece. Well, anyhow, here we are, almost to our next stop. All right, loaded on the trailer, we're ready to go home. And bam, just like that, we're back home, back to our regular scheduled programming as the ranch golf cart. A little bit of fame and fortune. When the commercial comes out, we'll make a post, an announcement. There's going to be a part 2 to this whole thing once that all happens, and I'll do a link to it and all that. This is truly a rags to riches story, and it all started out as I had to save this one from scrap too, because I have a problem, and fixed it all up, and it's one my kids like to drive around on, and we use it around the house. And then, hey, one of my movie clients wanted it, so we sent it. And it ran phenomenal. Everybody there was just absolutely elated because there was 0 issues with it. So that was really neat. And talk about a really cool story. It was literally about to be turned into Kias, and we saved it from that. And now now it lives on, and it's living its retired life here at the ranch. This one's one we'll hang on to. My kids will probably drive this when they get older. Be their little go-kart around here. But anyway, for now, we're going to sign out. There will be a part 2 to this coming. Keep your eyes peeled. Don't know when that's going to be, but it will be coming. Because there's a little bit more that goes behind this that I can't let on until the NDAs are expired. So anyhow, as usual, like, subscribe, share the hell out of this, folks. Please, we need all the support we can get. We got to save this old iron. We can help teach people about this and maybe save a few others along the line.